Hi everybody, it's Claire back with another art journal video. Today I am playing in the craft journal again, and I'm just doing a page with an extra fold out element to it. So you can see I've just gone to another page in the journal and cut a piece out, and then I'm going to use this craft packing tape, which if you wet it, it becomes sticky. It wets the adhesive on it, and I'm just using that to stick this extra fold out piece in place. So I'm just cutting it to size and then chopping it down a bit so it's not quite so wide, bit of water on and just sticking it on like that. And you can see then it's just, once it dries, it will stay in place. So then I'm going to be working out onto that extra fold out element part of the page. And I'm starting off with turquoise paint. There's no gesso on the page at all. So I'm just kind of working with what's there. So I've started off, like I said, with turquoise and then some blackberry and then fuchsia. The colours are really pretty together. They work really nicely, blending quite well too. So again, because I like the craft background, I am trying really hard on lots of my pages to leave the space to show the craft colour popping through. I don't always manage it, but it's good to keep trying, I guess, isn't it? So I'm just adding a little bit of collage paper on. This is also from Dina Wakley. I can't remember, it might be from the Elements pack. This is a Dylusion stencil. Just adding some spots and circles onto there using some white paint just to break up that colour on the background. Then using the lines that the collage paper has created, I'm just writing some words into there using this Posca pen. The Posca pen is my favourite go-to thing when I want to do some writing. I like how well they go over acrylic paint. They're really nice to use, and the variety of colours and sizes of nibs that you can get make them really versatile too. So this is a stamp from a Tim Holtz Media Marks set, the circle one that you can see. That's a really great set. You know, if you're having a time where you think you want some mark making on your page and you really don't know what to do, you can just get out that stamp set and use different coloured inks if you want to, just to create some marks on your page. So I'm just doing a bit more work on the lettering. So here you'll notice that that figure has a little bit of texture on it. I did do some heat embossing on it, but decided I didn't like it. It didn't really work with it. So I painted over it, which actually gave the really cool effect of giving the figure like this little bit of texture on it as well. So it wasn't all bad. Then I'm just using this white Signo Uniball, just doing a bit of doodling and mark making on the page. Also just breaking up the background. So then I'm working on the reverse side of the fold out piece. So it's the bit that folds over the page that I've just created, and I'm using the same colours because I want this to work with the page that I've just created too. So I was using the same colours. There you go, you can see just a quick look there. I'm doing the same things that I did on the first page, so the same colours, the same stenciling, so that it all marries together. And then I'm just using one of these faces, also from a Dina Wakley collage pack. A bit fell off there while I was cutting it out, so I'm just sticking it roughly where it needs to go. And then once it's in place, I'm just going over it using the Stabilo All. Not going to water activate it, I was just darkening some of those lines. And then some space for a little bit more journaling too. So it's lots of fun to experiment with the size of the pages and cutting out pieces and sticking them on other places. It's great fun. So you see here that I've got that little fold out piece on the left with the figure, the chipboard figure on, and then the fold out piece at the other side. So I was really pleased with how this page came together, how the colours worked together and how it worked with the page that was already there on the other side. Just because I think that's because the turquoise comes through from the other side as well. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Maybe you'll have a play with making some extra fold out elements in your journals too. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.